Today I'm going to bring you something that everybody must be able to do in a van, and that is cook food. I got this, wanting to say I bought this on eBay, something like that. It's a Coleman Camp stove. It's a very beat up box, but it's still in its wrapper. It is brand new. We're going to give it a test run. One-page instructions, says all this nonsense. Flip it over and it says you have these instructions. I believe somewhere in the fine print down here it says be prepared to order takeout. I could be wrong though. Okay, we have a latch down here, and then around the top there's another latch. So we pull the latches. This is going to come out here a little bit. There we go. There we go. This is fun to do with one hand. I think this folds down. That gives you a bottom. There are some sides. Maybe that was the top. I'm going to set this down and I will come back to you. Okay, here's the inside. You've got little latches that hooks here, 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 here. And then where we at? This top latch. This is actually in here. I know this is terrible video. One of these days I'll probably use that stupid GoPro. I think it gets better wide angle shots than this. But this will latch in, and then we'll flip that little latch back there and that will lock it. But I can't do it with one hand. Okay, it's together. This is the door. You got a little temperature guy here. There we go. Heat indicator. Here's your door to open. And then I put this little rack. It just slides into little holes on the side. You adjust your height wherever you want that. Okay, so here's our oven, and that is going to go on the stove. So let me sort this out, and then I will come back to you. Okay, we are warming up. We're at 150 degrees. Slide under here. You can see fire's cooking. I will tell you, that hurts. This sucker gets hot. It's not like an insulated oven at home. This gets hot. While this heats up, let's do some things. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Cup of water. That goes away. Let's bring that back. Try not to get too many shells. Already making a mess. There we go. Clean this up just a little bit so I'm not wearing it. Move that over there. Like I said, only necessities, only things that everyone should have in their, van life, LOL. That looks a little better right there, doesn't it? Okay. There's some eggs, and no telling what I dropped in it. Okay. Good enough for me. Let's see, what do we need next? Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Open this little package. Try not to get dust everywhere. Okay. Now, we will mix this for a few minutes. am going to do this for a little while. The instructions do call for using a mixer, but the only mixer I have is myself. So I'm going to go at this for a little while, so there's no point in watching me. Okay, I forgot something. A little bit of veggie oil. That might make all the difference. Okay, we're just waiting on this guy. We're close to 300 and we need 325, so it needs to step up its game just a little bit. I put these on top, close some of these gaps. Still don't like that a whole lot. Boy, that sucker's hot. This still not quite there yet. This would do so much better with any kind of fireproof insulation. I mean, any kind of something would make this 10 times better. But it is where it is. Let's get this guy going. Spray a little nonstick in there. That's probably too much in all the wrong places. That's okay though. I don't really care. Move that out of the way. Just one pan is going to be good for the whole thing. I think we'll put it right about there, and I can lick the rest of this out. I love stuff with made raw eggs. Yum. Okay, this is where you should have an oven mitt, which I don't. Opening this, and we'll take this guy. Ooh, it just fits. And we will close that up, and hopefully through the magic of video, it'll be done in like 30 seconds. Well, the temperature dropped down below, where we're at 250, 260. I think the instructions want 325, something to that effect. We were over 3 when I put that in. It just shows you this thing doesn't hold heat as well as we would like to. Makes me question the results. And the other thing I don't like about these is that there's no way to see what's cooking, what's doing. There should be like a peephole or something where you can take a look. The only way to take a look is to open the door on this. Yeah, it is what it is. Let's see what happens. I took it out a few minutes early. It definitely done or overdone maybe a little bit. I'm kind of just questioning the accuracy of the thermostat. Has me wondering, because it was not in there for the full time. It's definitely overdone as far as this goes. But this is the first time I've used this, so it really is a learning experience. We'll let her cool down and clean her up and see what we make. Well, it's definitely not undercooked. It's still soft. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off that. I don't know, but it's still soft. That was fun. Let's see if we can trim this and clean it up a little bit. I'll be back. If I can get enough icing on top of this thing, I might be able to pretend that it was a legit cake and not something halfway burnt. But it's okay. Let's see what I can do with this. And this is the cake. I make one a year. Never made one in here before, but it's good to know that I can.